folks, as promised, this is my SHOEI X11 that I've got some silicone bags in. These are great stop moisture. You want to stop moisture in your helmet while it's not being used for a long period of time. As I said, I needed a new liner because the inside centre pad piece is completely shagged on mine. As you can see here, after about 10 years, this foam in here it just disintegrates. It just falls to bits. No good. Put myself up an original OEM from Peter Stevens, and now I'm going to fit it. So let's fit this baby and see how she goes. Alright, so I've taken the old one out, given it a bit of a clean out. Integrity of the foam inside is pretty good. The chin pieces in this are still really good, so I haven't opted to replace them. Okay, and the tricky bit is getting all this to line up. So what I might do first is I might just remove the visor just in case she gets scratched. Oh, we had a crash. Sorry, we had a crash. My camera fell off. Right, try again. Okay. Alright, continuing, removing the visor. Trying to get that scratched. I hate to try and find another one of those today. In today's climate, of not being able to find anything that's old. It just gets chucked away, doesn't it? Okay, so let's find out where this lives. It lives right there by the look of it. So I would say that piece there sits just in there like so, and we have one pushes under there, pushes under there, pushes under there. Looks like it's got some ventilation points on this as well. So I've got to make sure this all sits in here properly. Hey, if it looks like I haven't actually done this before, there's a very good reason for that. And that reason is I haven't. So this is a bit of trial and error. There's no locating tags under there, so it looks like it just literally slides up underneath all those plastic tabs and then sits in there like so. That's what we're looking at here. Gotcha. Under there. And goes up under there, one sits under there. It looks like they've all got to go under the same time, or it's not going to work. Most peculiar. It sits underneath that tab there. Okay, right. So there's a bit of plastic there, it actually does it. It sits right underneath that, so there we go. Okay. Which means that rubber there, that's looking a bit haggard too. I might try and put some product on that to improve it. Okay, so going inside the helmet now. Let's push him back. A couple of clips at the back there. Clip in one, clip in two, push them down the sides, And there we have it. Even smells like a new helmet. So, got myself a new inside. Let's see what I can do to clean this up now. A bit of extra time here. Let's see how this works. Got some auto glim leather balm. I know it's not leather, it's rubber. However, stuff's pretty good. Apply a little bit here. What we're looking at doing is rejuvenating the rubber. That's what we're looking at doing. And that seems to be rejuvenating quite nicely. Nice brand new microfiber. Let's give that a rub down. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's come up really well. Pretty happy with that. There we go. So it's gone from looking like that, which is actually, look, it just looks dry, to looks like it's actually got a nice soft feel to it now. So let's continue on. Let's work around here. Yeah, it doesn't take too long, does it? This helmet's been sitting around for a long time, folks. No, I mean a long time. About the last 5 years without being used. So I could probably do with a bit of TLC. Wrap that around there, it's looking good. Let's get that a white. And there a white. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's put our visor back on. Might just clean the inside of the visor. Set it on a brand new microfiber. So that bring the rag. Okay, let's give them a white. If any of you guys are thinking of getting a Shoei helmet, highly recommended. Especially these old school X11s. This is a $1,200 helmet when it came out. And when you put it on, it's easy to see how. It's an extremely nice helmet to wear. Okay. So to finish that off, pretty happy with how that's turned out. To finish it off, I might put a bit of my leather balm on the underside as well. Stick some on the underside here. You can see that's sort of starting to perish there a bit, so some around the outside here. Some on the chin piece inside. Some in there as well. There we go. Got a nice wipe down. And finally, get myself some super resin polish. Stuff won't damage your, certainly won't damage your paint. Very fine this is. Okay, just give that just a nice coating over there. Nice coating over there. Nice coating at the front. Try not to do the visor. You don't want to do the visor because try and put any polish on the visor, you're going to just scratch the visor. So I'll get the visor wiped down. Okay, brand new microfiber. I'm really happy about getting this sorted out. It's really good. Sort of stopping me using this helmet, obviously. Having it falling apart, you pull it off your head and your head's covered in little bits of foam, which is pretty average. Okay, so there you have it, folks. It's been rejuvenated and reborn. The SHOEI X11. Build date 2005. I said I got this one at the same time I bought my K5000. Really good. Okay, there you go, folks. Hope you learned something from this. We found it entertaining, etc. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Give us a question if you've got any questions. Let's stick her on. Good stuff. Very happy with that.